No mai koutou, ko Archie here. He is Archie.
And what did I want in school? Called Jack here. She is... He is Jack. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for R2, the 9th of February.
Okay, let's start the week with te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Kata, which is te reo whala.
As in, e aha koe o Kata nā. Why are you laughing?
Nothing to do with your haircut at all. Honest.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Kata, which is te reo for la.
On to health and safety news. The UV forecast for today is very high, from 12:30 to 3:30.
So make sure you are wearing your potae and your sunscreen after school today, koutou. Kia ora.
In HI VIZ VESTS, most students are wearing them. Please do likewise.
Now, if you've missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Sports news. Please return all equipment to the trolleys at the end of interval and lunchtime.
Ka pai, and a reminder that those touch forms were due today at 9 AM. Hopefully they're all handed in.
Okay, no birthdays at WINTON School today, but we do have the Tidy Class Award for week 1.
Can we have a big pizza drum roll please for
Rooms 1, 6 and 12.
Congratulations, it's been a long term, so keep your classes tidy and go into the drill for a pizza lunch in week 11.
Alrighty, that's it today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite popo, see you tomorrow.
Haere rā, and stay sharp, WINTON School.